What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cooking and Blazin. Today, we're gonna make chicken cheesesteak or chopped chicken with cheese, however you want to say it. Have long and painful task of using a cheese grater to grate down chicken breast. Uh, it's gonna come out way better than probably just slicing and dicing. Look at that. Um, when you cook it, it just you'll see. Just trust the process. Your arm's gonna hate you, but your family and your stomach's gonna love it. Promise. So go ahead and grate down 2 to 3 frozen chicken breasts, and then we're gonna season everything up. So grab some salt, give that give that a little salty action. We're gonna go ahead and add the pepper. Keep hitting the camera stand, a little wobble in there. We got some steak and chop seasoning too. That you can use whatever you want. Got some paprika as well. Garlic powder, also some onion powder. It's usually the main stuff that I season everything with. There goes the camera. Go ahead and mix everything up. By the time you're done mixing everything, though, it's going to look like one giant chicken meatball. You'll see here in a couple seconds when we go to cook it. Um, but yeah, when this cooks, it comes out like that. Like I said, it looks like a giant chicken meatball, you know, but you gotta start chopping it. See, you just gotta chop it up, and then it turns into like regular cheesesteak meat from like your mom and pop shop when you order a cheesesteak or a chicken cheesesteak. And get your roll ready, you know, tastes delicious, perfect every time. Telling you, trust the process. Appreciate everybody for watching, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe. Catch you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe. See ya.